Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on LinkedIn. If you want to change your password on LinkedIn for security reasons or whether you've forgotten your password, this step will guide you through how to do it quickly and securely. First of all, open up the LinkedIn app on your device and log into your account. On the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left, and then in the expanded menu, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, tap on Sign In and Security. Now, tap on Change Password on the next page. Go ahead and type in your current password in the first tab, and then type in your new password in the next field. After typing down the password, retype it again in the last field. Finally, click on Save Password at the bottom. Also, if you want to sign out of other devices that are currently logged in with LinkedIn, you can also check on this little square box at the bottom and click on Save Password. Finally, after you do that, you will be able to change your password for LinkedIn. Now you can log in with your new password securely. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.